Kublai pi baro pia pet yukari khasi channel ni wan rasha pi ka thup Khubor kani ka tiyo menta. Kimat ki bakongsan? Onya kendo ka Regional Committee West Khasi Hills banyakren halor upur usam bat ka asam. Pinlong jingalang banyada yaki kiwa haga jila. Lidbo sentiyo ka sang hito hayeng menteri rangba bat ha secretariat. Pinpau ki MLA ka Shillong West but East halor ka jingkerdo di ha kanong ba. Wat lau don ka jingduna ha ka bor yos ngong bat kren Henry ulong pat usam lau badan ka jingkerman. Sedang ka Ribhoi Water Sport and Tourism Cooperative Society ya ka 5th Mega Kaya Fest ha tham. Bat kiwe de ki Khubor. Nyanya phai metash ki Khubor bnya. Ka Regional Committee jong ka West Khasi Hills District kalabo banya kendo menhaga khat South treatment tau benai na ka benta banya kren ya penbet put hakawat ka baar hapring ka jilla Meghalaya ba ka jilla Assam. Ya kani lai thu do menteri ka sarkar jilla ubolong ru chairman kani ka committee uba Renington Tonghar. Uba Renington ulong bahaga ni ka jia kendo ka banlong hanong ston ondan lang ki kli nong senchar shnong jong ka te ka than.
We have constituted the committee, so we have got the co-opted members. So we will sit the members of our committee as well as the co-opted members. We have already, the Deputy Commissioner Austin has already notified the co-opted members.
So in the first phase, there have been challenges in the first phase. I mean, despite you already
challenges will be there on the first phase is there, on the second phase also will be there, and we will try to meet the challenges. We'll be having meeting on Friday, coming Friday.
So
11 o'clock in the morning.
This meeting will be for you to take the views of the stakeholders, or what is the objective?
Yeah, that's the main thing, to take the views and opinion of the stakeholder, of the members in the committee. We have co-opted the members in the committee who are concerned about the border problem, and who know also and who have the idea. So we expect that they will give us good inputs.
So that's what, sir. What I mean to ask is, in the first place, we saw a lot of resentment from your area also. Like, of course,
how
the
do you
government
ensure
says,
that the
how will you
committee
ensure
will
that such a thing doesn't repeat?
You see, we will do the best we can, but I cannot assure you that there will be no resentment. No. In fact, we want that 100% people will be happy, but it may not be 100%. But I wish there will be many people who will be happy, and especially I expect that those villages who really wants to be in Meghalaya, especially the local people, because ethnicity is one of the criteria that we consider. We hope the government of Assam will respect that, and they will come to Meghalaya. They will fall under Meghalaya. So that is I wanted.
Hadin belami bun ki jing persha ya ka Meghalaya Gaming Act ujim sang ma menteri ka sarkar jela ulo ong ba ka sarkar shen kan sa khot ekren ni kinong yalam niam banyakren kumno banshim ki linti nang ni shakhman ulapan paru bakinong yalam niam ki sngo khia lang halor kani barulo ong bakalong ka beran ka man sngap ru ye kijing ai jing mot jongki.
I appreciate the concerns of the forum, and I think that it's very important for us as a government to listen to any voice of concern that comes up by a group which represents the church. And I would like to also tell you this, that I will be setting up a meeting to discuss this issue with them and to see how we can take things forward.
Ka committee jong ki start perkhat ki bapet ya ka jinga da ba ka jing pen imbiang jong ki ki wa hapok jela baro ka wei mana ka khalai treatment tau banai ki le shong banya perkhat ban shem me ki lat ki lenti kumno ban wan rap yang ya ka jing khot ki jing suba jong ki ki wa apok jela habe kren bekinong tho Khubor hadi blawai ke jelang principal chief conservator forest uba bi keling wa ulong bakane ka long na ka benta jong baro ki wa ki bren ka jela lait no tu ki wa ki ba ha apok ka jaka jaka reserve forest but ka wildlife protected area.
To be implemented?
Studies will have to be carried out, which are pollution related and related to the flow of water. Now these studies will have to be carried out once during the dry season, which is approaching now, and as soon as the monsoon sets in next year, within the let's say if it comes early, then the studies will conclude early because we need data for the dry season and the wet season.
So are you
So I'd
al-
say 6 months.
right? So are you also looking, at areas in the coal belt areas of the state? Because we know that illegal coal mining is being banned, but illegal coal mining is still going on.
See,
So what do you have to say on this?
where rivers in talking about rivers in these coal mining areas, the government is already taking action through this bioremediation, which is a project funded by, being implemented by Trinity International. A pilot project was carried out successfully in Lukha River, and now we are replicating that on a larger scale on Lukha River and Karhokla River. Now, if there are any other rivers having A and B issues, which are not covered by the River Rejuvenation Committee, we will definitely take it up.
You see, Umiam Lake per se is not the culprit. The culprit is Wamkra and Umshirpi. So unless we take care of these two rivers, because both goes and joins War Oro and it empties into Umiam Lake. So Umiam Lake has become the septic tank of entire Shillong and its catchment of 220 square kilometers. You see, a 10 square kilometer lake is catering to 220 square kilometers of area, which is not seen in any part of our country. So this so much pressure and anthropogenic factors impinging on this lake. So we are tackling on these aspects, that first this source needs to be taken care of, Wamkrai and Umshirpi. Urban department is coming up with some infrastructure. Then we had recently, Anand Maligawad was here, myself, our PCCF and HOF, we took a ride and we went to the neck of that point. So there also we have seen that there's some sort of algal bloom is happening, which is not at all good for a river or a lake system. Siltation is not an issue, it's a myth. Because unless the siltation crosses 10% of the gross volume available free of the sedimentation, then you do not need siltation. Now in Umiam, as per the WebCost studies, they say about it is 4.7% only. So what we have to do, without being repetitive, that we need to take care. Now, number two is the settlement which has come up, Umbed, then Umio, and other localities. There are a lot of farming take place, fertilizers are used, so we are also recommending on those. Then while construction, the debris comes down, this is one. Forest department, again KHATC land, otherwise the forest department was ready to take up plantation even in those islands which have come up. Then we have seen some construction which has taken place absolutely on the lake. Some guest houses of council and others. So we have recommended all these in our first report which we had submitted. So High Court also appreciated, but they feel more should be done. But number one, Wamkra, Umshirpi, unless these two are treated, we cannot do anything regarding Umiam Lake.
Umentri ke Sarkar Jalao James Sang Maman Hasi Balangkat Atrik Mentau Benai Risau Menta Katio Ulong Baka Jink no Jong Unong Aik Tien Jong ka TMC Usaket Gokle Kalong Kabom Donong Rim Bat Kabom Shongnya ARM Yakani Ulong Habai Kran Beki Katu Kani Ginong Tok Khubor Da Kabai Tu Balada Kani Ka Jink no Kalong Kabai Shisha Bat Kadan Nong Rim Ka Sarkar Ka Kloy Ban Skap Bat Priyan Ka Jing Ai Jing Mut Jongki.
I don't know if Mr. Gokhale is aware of this or not, but there was an inquiry committee which was constituted by the government, which was headed by a retired justice of the High Court, and that report has been submitted, and that report has apparently said that there was nothing untoward in the smart meter project. So I think again, I feel that Mr. Gokhale is not doing proper homework when it comes to all these things. And he should read up on what were the kind of issues, what were the actions taken, and what were the outcomes of these actions taken by the government. So, once again, he's a spokesperson of a political party. He's, every right to criticize. But then again, we have a responsibility to the public, not to just cry wolf all the time, but to do their homework and know what it is, to bring an informed, comment in front of the public. So I think that that is something a responsible person would do, and I again urge him to do his due diligence.
He also mentioned that the Independent Act on the part of the ND government to fabricated facts reach and point which is unacceptable.
I have not seen those kind of point by point statements which have been made by him. And again, it's very easy to criticize anybody. I mean, for Mr. Gokhale to say all these things must be based on facts. If he does have those facts, please bring it forward, and we will respond to that if there is any merit to it. If it does not have any merit, then I think it becomes a waste of time. So if there is any merit to whatever he wants to bring forth, yes, I'll be happy to respond to that.
Umentri beripet ia ka umbam umdi apok kejelau ba renikton tongkar uloong ba kajing pentrikam ia ka Jal Jeevan Mission Scheme apok kejela kalong kabayai bet wat la kidon bun ba kijing ha ka bay ba kajing penbiang ki pipe ya gani uloong hadin baladan kajing keno na kaliang ka BJP bar kaliang persya ha kajing pentrikam ya gani ka scheme uloong ru baladadan kijing tuna ha ka bay ba kajing tre na kaliang ka sarkar kan penbet yakini baro.
We have the overall progress of JJM, and we have reviewed report from the executive engineer has been given to the office of the chief engineer, and we had this report. So we mainly on the progress of JJM, and then we listen from them the problem that they are facing. Some of the engineers they have expressed that they have the problem with regards to the third party inspection report, the delay of the third party inspection report, and we have told, and through chief engineer he will meet the third party inspection agency to tell them and to understand from them the problem that they are facing, and we expect that this problem also will be solved, because there are complaints that there was a delay in getting the report from the third party inspection agency.
So what do you make of the relentless, I would say, accusation from your coalition partner BJP and also a few in the opposition that JJM is not doing well and it's not like us, what is being projected?
You see, the work is ongoing. So if someone expected to see perfectness in the ongoing progress, on the ongoing work, it may not be possible. They will not see the completion, they will not see the finishing. I can say that a house, when it is on progress, the construction is going on, you cannot expect to see the completion of it. So you'll see that perfectness only when it is completed, because there are lots of correction that we may need to do in between also. There may be breakdown of machine, there may be a problem here and there, but we are trying to address to solve all those problems, to rectify all those problems. Yeah, so far we have spent around 1,600 crores on this.
What are the hurdles is the JJM project is facing, and whether by December will it be able to complete its?
Yeah, you all know that we have targeted December, but till today we have just crossed 40%. So even though we have not withdrawn from the race, but as I told you that the numbers of households also has increased, so that's also one of the reasons that we may not be able to reach 100%. But we are still trying our best to achieve the maximum by the end of December. And I want to tell you that we'll be doing wonder in this 3 months time, because it's a working season. All these months due to monsoon we are not able to do much, but in this 3 months time, remaining 3 months time, we will do wonder and we will do maximum work. You can expect maximum work in this 3 months time.
So what are the hurdles?
Yes.
What are the hurdles you face?
Hurdles, you see, of course we understand that on ground there are many difficulties that we are facing, but we are addressing each and every problem that we face. You see, one of the problems that we are facing all these days is about the supply of pipe, but even this also now we are almost solved this issue as well, and that's why we can assure you that in this 3 months time we will do wonder by covering maximum number of households.
Hadi itu Khubor nya sangya shipor ngin sawan phai yang shapi dang yai saban ngina ka benda kini ke ki Khubor. Letbo Taiew ka sang hito hayeng umentri rangba but ha secretariat. Penpau ki MLA ka Shillong West but East halor ka jingkadu umdi ha kanong ba. Wat laudon ka jingduna ha ka bor yos ngong bat kren Henry ulong pat usamla obadan ka jingkermen. Sedang ka Ribhoi Water Sport and Tourism Cooperative Society ya ka 5th Mega Kaya Fest ha tham. Bat kiwe de ki Khubor.
Travel with style and comfort with the all-new Force Traveler Tora, customized by Bomb for Force, Shillong. Enjoy its big and comfortable cabin along with its large boot space. A new leather interior along with furnished floors, individual charging stations, personalized overhead air conditioning with pleasant after-dark lighting. Comfortable reclining seats, adjustable side mirrors and aerodynamic luggage carrier. For more customizable options, contact Bomb for Force, 3rd Mile, Upper Shillong. Travel with style and comfort with the all-new Force Traveler Tora, customized by Bomb for Force, Shillong. Enjoy its big and comfortable cabin along with its large boot space. A new leather interior along with furnished floors, individual charging stations, personalized overhead air conditioning with pleasant after-dark lighting. Comfortable reclining seats, adjustable side mirrors and aerodynamic luggage carrier. For more customizable options, contact Bomb for Force, 3rd Mile, Upper Shillong.
Pidang ya penyanyi gari khasi channel ngin beteng biang mentai ki Khubor. Kasang Hinyautrap Integrated Territorial Organization hito managa khat sautrik mentau benai kelas dang ya kajing ya ki kejongka ka bajai jai da ka ba kala lit ban bo ya ki Taiew ha yeng jong u menteri rangba bat rukum ju ha secretariat. Kadi kajing lai bo Taiew ka balong kum kadak bandawa na ka sarkar bakan sngap ikijing da wa jongki lalet ban bo ru ha office tray kam jong seng sign perthei ki beyasan rop lang ha kan ni ka sarkar MDA ki bakithup ya ka NPP ka BJP ka UDP ka HSPDP bat ka PDF. Wala kala don ka jing persyang ni ki board district ban pensang ya ki Henry ka ni ka jing thmu jong ki kala yaj bet chakman klem don kanu ka jing penthut. Laban penken mau baka seng hito kala dawa na ka sarkar baka day ban wengkam shipor ki tu ki pulit ki badan kti ha ka jing siat tia ga si ki noi kai ha ka ni ka Taiew bala dab.
One person. Ngitray sang malang maniray kejai benriu, amday bang ngitray sang malang berben kepala kejungi, hadu mendangi kemungkinan dalam ngidup, namar balai ngempdan keno kajing bamsap kajing bampang. Handre yame la sot la shor dak kita kamlu jong kinong trai kam sarkar ba yame la ai da ketulop na konsep jongi pat ba tengi kerpat ya kini ki nong mek pak ki jongi khamtam yu education minister bala kemen rumboi ubada ka ba buram la buram ngisu buram arsap yu dai bengi da buram na do presiden gai ka bala Allah tu kesini haba kinong hikai kilet mi hapo sekretariat kamera jumu uang bangang am da tip bahai ki norms jong education department. If you are not fit, then you have to step down. Wara mem tip ki norms jong education department, but me bat ya education department kum education minister so was step down. Step down daladi hadai hadin tang lai si sau si ni iba ka khubor ke pui ba uba ala kemen uang ngam tre ban her suki.
Hakabai day bat ka ijahar ka bakino hikai school kila ujor prisha ka tingsha kawang tear gas ka jongki hakasi ka bakila lit bentursha secretariat u president jongino hikai school contract u babu berbor riangtem ulasha khot man haka khar artarik mentau banai ha u investigation officer
Habai kram babu berbor ulai thu ba ulasha phone hau DSP uba dangsan kriem naga benta ban pinshisha halor ke ijahar bakila ujor ki bor ba halor joki pulit ka jalla
nakaliang jongi ru nila wan menta por sawaji ka jing thu ka jong e hadin balai kli gum tu kalong ba isim statement halor ka jingjia sa thang bom tear gas haki police haka to ka district hakmat secretariat pangnai tai dau ba isim yang i statement ba lakali yang i kalong sisiana kum tu kumala IFR dan kaliang jongi ngila tibab sai ba kalong kum tu kumbala IFR da mangi kan ki kajingdon jong ki police thai ki bai kai kan thai ki la cha sho la khamtam ka jing thang tear gas kala pan stom yaki babun balang nangta nakaliang jong ngi ngila jubab ba kala long kumta kumbala yo i haki media tatar te shim statement mdai tang yangi in khat ya barok kat ki bala sain haka tuka FIR te nakaliang jong la pan ki phone number jong ki parnai ke barok nakaliang jong ngim la tingit sa pha khubor sibet pat lekbo pan haganu kunu ke police station ka badan hangne sor silong namba kita ki kerteng jong kini kai ki phone number in polisi sar but sa DSP in sa phone ya baru kini kai ban one eye laga jong statement hangne police resa
kamu benta kadangnya ka inquiry kan
ai kadangnya
kimpat pensai long kenle yu halo ke pulen
kimpat pensai re kum ka jing mu ke jong ki le se kalong ba kin sim chuai ka statement na baru ki pernai kai ki bala sign hentu ka FIR
ki arngut ki nomi khmat jong ki artali ki constituency kita ka Shillong East ba ka Shillong West manha ka khatlai treatment tau banai ki la le benya kundu yo chief secretary ke jala ban pinsngo hu ya ki jing e ba ki jing shitom ki ba ki pat ba jong ki ni ki artali ki constituency ki ya kundu ha ka bai dei bat ko umbam umdi
Habai kran bikinong thok khubor harian ka chia kandu ikong amprin ling do beruba muhandru rap sang kilong bakani ke jing kadu kala pencen jari ki pat ba ki bla mat ikini ki jing e ber kilong ru bana kaliang ka sarkar kala kular ban shim khiawan pe dhalor kani ka kam shu kila pen power ki jing slam ban pendep ek phase 3 jong ka greater Shillong water supply scheme
We have now been informed that there are some fluctuation voltages that are impacting dearly on the pumping of the water for its reaching our part of the city. So we have been given an assurance by the meeting convened by the Chief Secretary that this issue will be immediately attended to. Secondly, we are very concerned that the phase 2 of GSW 3 is also still incomplete. We were able to discuss those details in the meeting just now, and we look forward that all of these storages of water supply to Shillong City will soon be commissioned, and there is one line of pipes that still need to be installed and put in position.
We are hopeful that this will result positively. We are also concerned because when there are these crisis periods of water supply, there are not enough tankies in Shillong city for us to feed temporary emergency water supply to various localities. So we've also been told today that the municipal board will shortly be given an additional amount of 5 water tankers, so that at least during this period when there is shortage of this water, we will still be able to serve to localities through feeder tanks. So I hope that this entire exercise that we had today will result positively. We are very concerned because we've had so much rain, but no water coming to our taps. I am also concerned because citizens are getting frustrated and restless. Government has given us the assurance, let us be patient, and we will review this matter back in about 2 to 3 weeks, and we hope that by then we will have this stable water supply being restored back to critical areas like Shillong West, Shillong East, including Nongpamai. I hope that the consultations that we had today will be an eye-opener to the actual problem that seems not to be attended.
Hadin kiti Khubor nya sange biang sa support tang shibit arbit hadin nya 5 yang shapi dang yai sa ban na kabanta kini kwi pat ki Khubor. Wat la udon ka jingdu na ha ka bor yos ngo bat kren Henry ulong pat usam la badan ka jingkermen. Sedangka Ribhoi Water Sport and Tourism Cooperative Society yaka 5th Mega Kaya Fest ha tham. Bat kiwe de ki Khubor.
Travel with style and comfort with the all-new Force Traveller Tora, customized by Bomb for Force, Shillong. Enjoy its big and comfortable cabin along with its large boot space. A new leather interior along with furnished floors, individual charging stations, personalized overhead air conditioning with pleasant after-dark lighting. Comfortable reclining seats, adjustable side mirrors and aerodynamic luggage carrier. For more customizable options, contact Bomb for Force, 3rd Mile, Upper Shillong. Travel with style and comfort with the all-new Force Traveller Tora, customized by Bomb for Force, Shillong. Enjoy its big and comfortable cabin along with its large boot space. A new leather interior along with furnished floors, individual charging stations, personalized overhead air conditioning with pleasant after-dark lighting. Comfortable reclining seats, adjustable side mirrors and aerodynamic luggage carrier. For more customizable options, contact Bomb for Force, 3rd Mile, Upper Shillong.
Pilaiwan pa biang shingi gari khasi channel nya pai mentash ki Khubor ki berasa. Haga sport kalong ka ike ba aiman sim but kalong ka daw jong jing song sarong na ka benta jingi kum ka jat bin riu haba we usamla briu u badan ka jing duna ha ka bor kren bat rukum jo ka bor yo sngo un let ban mi khmat ya kari India barok we ha ka lempong yele kai arm wrestling ka ban salong ha turkey.
Uni usamla ude Hubert Paliar ubalapan pawe ka sap bakat pang jang u hakibabun ki lempong yele akai ha keleng kari India. Hubert habaya kran bikinong thok Khubor ulai thu bu unlej asyam benta kalempung yele akai kaban long ha Turkey nado ka khandru telek mentau banai hado ka arpulai telek mentau banai.
i ong ala krep ha damba ka jing ai museum jong i ba alan I ku jong I ba alan sun ba in persyang ba ban practice ba lada de itu por ba kendiat kimba si banai yo ban practice nakalian ka jong I dan ban ong I kwa ban ai kublai ka pang ya barok ya ki hakni hapo me clear kan kari khasi ka jong I ba ki bala no sinyang na ka benta jong I ban ya rap khai benta ka jong I yang ketika sin ke banikong iba ketika sin ke banikong kum khani khari khasi ke jong iba hadu shipong ngut ngi yo ban chim ban ta shathi shapo Turkey I dan ru ketika kerman bala syai ke ski sami no syai ke ski khalai tarik kami kecingkapan nakalian kacong iru I ong ba kepat ba nak yaki pat chong ka mikhalia chong ka rikasi kacong I ba inbu lang kacing ruai nak benta kacong I ka jingle kai kacong I kadai chong ka sport kadai chong ka arm wrestling te komenta kadai ba inlet nikmat ya ka kari India shapo international ka balong ha Turkey hadu khasaw hadu arpulai tarik mentau benang
Kadi kajilit ni jong I kadang kategori na kadi open to all na.
Anak kini kita nak jong ka bentang. Kita nak jong bentang, kita nak jong kategori ru. Kini kita nak jong, kita nak jong. Kita kumta. Ti kat bah apa national te kile lang ba normal kita nak jong ki normal but ki daf tu tang balong iwa kajing I ku isim lang benta pro arteli tang ba international ting impalar bante yo lang
Kawai na kitanya kop kieng liang kabala benabha haka perthai brok kawai ya kabala tip kum ka mega kayak festival kelas dang biang men haka khatlai tri mentau benai risau mentakas nam arajar arpoar hapo kawa umtro haka jaka bala tip kum ka white water ka baha hapo ka shnong tham ribhoi district
ya gari ka kop kieng liang kabadai ru ka sen ka pasan haka ni ka jala megalaya la pelong na ka kenhun jaga ribhoi water sports and tourism cooperative society limited haka jia tre lang berkatanat megalaya tourism kabakam besultan at shushu haka ni ka jia kop king liang ka long ka ujiwan poi jiki nong king liang ki bla pau nam haka perthai ki bla long teng ki ladu haka jia kop haka olympics nakaleng ki ri kintup lain ki nong king liang nakani ka ri India berkat san ngut ki nong king liang napo ka jala megalaya ki banyakni ikanam ladu haki kadan king liang kum ka amateur but professional ki nong chimpenta ki banabari ki bla poi shikani ka jaka ki kintup Yo Giovanni Di Gennaro na Italy, ka Sofia Reynoso na Mexico, ka Vavra Radilek na Czech Republic, ki World Champion, ki Bakintup Noria Newman na France, baru Adrian Matter na Germany.
Ka jingeseng samla jong ka KGP sinot sepngi kala pelong ya ka jingeseng yalap halor ka phang pilong kinong plau trai badia kani ka jingeseng yalap la pelong hapo ka balang Presbyterian molai
hagani ka jingeseng ka blas dang na dok nyotrik urisau arja arpuar la pelong ha ka yeng manager ka balang maulai badia ka jingeseng siu trai pat kata ka kandai terik la pelong hamadan polo hakan ni kasngi ka bakut la yo iya ka jingwan ki para bangai ki belawan ban singap ka tin jong blai lengba ka jalap ki armut ki pastor katai Reverend DS Roy Mukti ibla ai ka Khubor ka gospel ha ka porship hoba jemin step but Reverend EL Kharmau plang pat ibla ai ha ka jeseng ka bashi baje no phai sngi ha ka ni ka sngi la yo sko rui ki sur ba thiang ni ki kwaya ba per ki lai shim banta ka ni ka jeseng
Haganongba Jericho Kerteng Jong-u Galakta Yaga Wala Gaspa Ngadon Gerhai Penban Pensin Kadam Tangjung Kuslai
Angka Haka keteng jing em ni sham tangi jing ya le suda kin mawadon ka kin ro paskan yang iban yada ki born shun ne ki jisir in ram lot haka ka keteng badon botang sian disir jisu jisu kun trong play non trong jisu ya bok bat birthday jing bang de bong man in cat bra utang sugar bar ka keteng utrai jisu barok indam haker teng jong
Hasyo bangin penkut ngin pensungo biang shapi yaki pangi bakong san sasisian. Onya kendo ke Regional Committee West Khasi Hills banyakren halor upur usam bat ke Assam. Penlong jingelang banyada yaki kiwa haga jela. Lejbo sentio ke sang hito hayeng Menteri Rangba bat ha Secretariat. Penpau ki MLA ke Shillong West bat East halor ke jingkerdo di ha kanong ba. Watla udon ke jingduna ha Khubor yos ngong bat kren Henry ulong pat usamla ubadon ke jingkermen. Sedangkan Ribhoi Water Sport and Tourism Cooperative Society yaka 5th Mega Kaya Fest ha tham bat kiwe deki Khubor. But dah kita kin pun kot no ya kan itu tup Khubor kan itu yang mentang yang saya sembiang bat pi baro ha katai kubi pat katio kabanwan kublei pi baro bat yaso